Alright, what we have here is a Traxxas 2-wheel drive slash, and the servo has gone bad. Listen to this. You can hear it. I'm turning the wheel. So the problem is, oh no, it's going to make noise the whole time. Turn it off. Inside the servo are plastic gears, so you can either rebuild this servo with metal gears, or you can buy a new servo. What I opted to do was buy a new servo. Eco Power. So this servo has all metal gears inside. It's noticeably heavier than the original one once I take it off, but it's got all metal gears. This is, everything's metal inside here. It comes in all these different connectors. You don't need any of those. You just need this piece here. So to install this, it just goes right in the same place. There's some Allen keys, 4 Allen keys here. You have to follow this wire. It goes into here. You have to take this cover off here, and then you unplug it. So let's get to the unplugging part first. I'm going to use all of the tools that Traxxas gives you when you buy the car. You can use other tools, but this is what I'm going to use. Take this off over here, small Allen key. It's probably this one. Yep. Take this off. Oh, I gotta take this big cover off too. It's supposed to be waterproof, so that's why it's snaps like that, and it's got a little rubber gasket around it. Let's see the rubber gasket. Gotta make sure you put that rubber gasket back on the blue thing. So now, there's a piece of tape that holds this on right here. Take that off. Follow the wire. Alright, so it's one of these. It's this one. And it goes on. It goes on the top connector. So you pull this out. Let's take the gasket off, so we'll lose it. Now to take this off. It's a different size. It's this size. Oh, should probably do the bottom. The bottom is this right here. Screw that. It just pulls right off. And you just let that hang. Now you take this off. Alright, and you need this little white piece here. Goes on the new one. It's just like an adapter. So it connects into this servo saver. Servo saver here. So that. So now do the reverse. Put this one in. I mean the weight difference. I don't know what the weight difference actually. Here we go. There we go. Let's see. Let's go to ounces. Okay. Here's the stock one. 1.45. The new one. 2 ounces. So it's definitely heavier. Now I think I had problems. I did this before on another one. I had problems with these holes lining up. Yeah, they don't exactly line up. So these holes don't exactly line up. You can get one in there. The other ones don't line up exact if you look. So this side's in, right? And then this side. That side's in. This side's off by a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this, I'm just going to wallow this out. Where it's a circle, just make it a just straight out, and simply just use a knife. So it goes like this, right? These two in the front here. Okay. And I should be able to slide this one in. Yep. And then I'll move this back and get these in the hole. I'm going to push it as much forward as I can, which isn't that much. I'll tighten these front, make sure it's all snug. Okay, I'll lift this tape off here. So now you just scoot this through here, get this wire flat. I can. I'll just twist it this way. Put it back through here, and it goes the first one, remember? Now, before I cover it up, I'm going to plug this in, turn it on, controller's on, see if it works. Okay, so it works. I want to center this. I'm going to center this. Go left and right. Okay, and then put the servo saver on. Straighten the wheels. Straighten the wheels. Put this on where it needs to go. So let's make sure the wheels are straight. Okay. Now put a screw in it. You can stop dropping it. All right. Now, let's see if it will turn. Look at that. Sounds so much cooler too. All right, so now I just have to put this cover back on. So I'm gonna turn this off, turn the controller off, take the battery off. These wires back in here, put the gasket back on, the cover back on, like this. Okay. Now you make these so they run, there's little notches here, put them in the notch so they don't get crushed. Put this cover on. There. And now, put a piece of tape here. Oh, what I'll do is I'll take a piece of electrical tape and put it right here. But that's it. That's all you gotta do to replace that thing. Okay, thanks for watching. That's repairing a little Traxxas two-wheel drive slash servo. I'll probably be doing more on these things because my kids keep breaking them. So there's all the plastic parts are breaking, and I'm replacing them with alloy aluminum parts. So I'll be showing you the upgrades. All right, thanks. Bye. Okay, thanks for watching. I know this wasn't a video on cars or anything like that, but it's just, you know, it's stuff that's going on in my life and things that I'm fixing and repairing. So this was a little fun little video. I got to fix my kids' toys. So once again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks, bye.